Welcome back to the Healthy Habits Hub. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic, the best fruits for diabetics. Contrary to common belief, not all fruits are off limits for people with diabetes. Some fruits can actually help stabilize your blood sugar while providing essential nutrients, fiber, and antioxidants. In this video, we'll uncover the top 13 fruits that are not only safe for diabetics, but can actually support better blood sugar control. Stick around as we explore the glycemic index, fiber content, and recent research on how these fruits can be part of a diabetic-friendly diet. Plus, we'll give you tips on how to incorporate these fruits into your busy life. Before we jump into the list, it's important to understand glycemic index, GI, and glycemic load, GL. The GI measures how quickly a food raises your blood sugar, while GL considers both the quality and quantity of carbohydrates in a portion of food. Generally, fruits with a low to moderate GI and GL are best for diabetics because they result in a slower rise in blood sugar. Fiber content is another important factor. Fiber slows sugar absorption, which can help keep blood sugar levels stable. Let's dive into the top 13 fruits that tick all the right boxes. 1. Avocados. Surprise, this nutrient-dense fruit tops the list. Avocados are packed with healthy fats and fiber, and they have almost no impact on blood sugar. With a glycemic index of 15, they are a perfect option for diabetics. Studies have shown that healthy fats like those in avocados can improve insulin sensitivity and help reduce blood sugar spikes. 2. Strawberries. Strawberries are low in carbohydrates with a glycemic index of 41, and they're loaded with fiber and vitamin C. Their low GI and high fiber content help slow the release of sugar into the bloodstream, making them a great option for a diabetic-friendly snack. Research also suggests that strawberries may reduce blood sugar spikes after meals. 3. Raspberries. With only 5 net carbs per 100 grams and a glycemic index of 32, raspberries are a diabetes-friendly fruit. High in fiber, they help control blood sugar and promote better digestion. A study in the Journal of Nutrition found that eating raspberries can help regulate post-meal blood sugar spikes. Number 4. Blackberries. Blackberries, rich in fiber and low in carbohydrates, are an excellent fruit for blood sugar control. They have a glycemic index of 25, meaning they cause only a mild rise in blood sugar. Plus, their high antioxidant content helps reduce oxidative stress, a key factor in diabetes management. 5. Grapefruit. Grapefruit is a low GI fruit with a score of 25, making it a great choice for diabetics. It is known to improve insulin sensitivity, although you should be cautious if you are taking certain medications, as grapefruit can interact with them. For those who can enjoy it, this citrus fruit is both refreshing and nutritious. Ruby red grapefruit is a better option for diabetics compared to white grapefruit, as it has a slightly lower GI and a sweeter flavor. 6. Apples. Apples have a moderate glycemic index of 39, making them a good choice for diabetics when eaten in moderation. The fiber in apples helps slow sugar release into the bloodstream, preventing rapid spikes. Green apples, such as Granny Smith, are a better option for diabetics due to their lower sugar content and glycemic index compared to red apples like Fuji or Gala. 7. Pears. Pears are another fiber-rich fruit with a glycemic index of 33. They provide a slow, steady release of sugar into the bloodstream, making them ideal for avoiding rapid blood sugar spikes. Pears are also loaded with important vitamins and antioxidants. 8. Plums. Plums have a glycemic index of 39 and are moderate in fiber. Their low-carb content and ability to control blood sugar make them a great fruit for people with diabetes. Studies have shown that eating plums can help regulate blood glucose levels. 9. Cherries, sour. Sour cherries are a fantastic option for diabetics with a glycemic index of 22. They are packed with antioxidants like anthocyanins, which have been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels. 10. Kiwi. Kiwi is packed with vitamin C, fiber, and has a moderate glycemic index of 50. The green variety is the better option for diabetics due to its higher fiber content and slightly lower glycemic index compared to gold kiwi. This makes green kiwi the preferred choice for managing blood sugar more effectively. Blueberries. Blueberries, with a glycemic index of 53, are slightly higher on the scale, but still an excellent fruit due to their high antioxidant content. Research suggests that blueberries may help reduce insulin resistance, making them a great choice for people managing type 2 diabetes. 12. Peaches. Peaches have a moderate glycemic index of 42 and are packed with vitamins A and C. They are a delicious and healthy snack for diabetics when consumed in small portions. Their natural sweetness can help satisfy cravings without spiking blood sugar levels. 13. Pomegranates. Pomegranates are rich in antioxidants and have a glycemic index of 35. They may help improve insulin sensitivity, making them a great fruit for diabetics. Pomegranate juice has even been shown in studies to help reduce blood sugar levels when consumed in moderation. Before we wrap up, let's add one more versatile fruit, papaya. Papaya has a glycemic index of 60, but it's still a great fruit to enjoy occasionally because of its high fiber content and digestive enzyme papain, which aids digestion. Try adding papaya to a savory salad with avocado, cucumber, and a light vinaigrette. Now that you know the top fruits for diabetics, here are some practical tips for incorporating them into your daily routine. 1. Portion control. Stick to moderate portions, especially for higher GI fruits like papaya or peaches. 2. Pair with protein. Combine fruits with protein or healthy fats like nuts, yogurt, or cheese to slow sugar absorption. 3. Frozen fruits. Frozen fruits like berries are convenient, nutrient-rich, and make for a great snack or addition to smoothies. There you have it, the top 13 fruits for diabetics, plus a bonus. These fruits can help you manage blood sugar levels while providing essential nutrients. Be mindful of portion sizes and always pair fruit with a protein or healthy fat to maximize benefits. What are your favorite fruits to eat? Let us know in the comments below. Before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you found it interesting. Also, comment down below if you have any suggestions for what you'd like to see next.